Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2024 Kawasaki KRX 1000 SE model. We just installed the Ryco Street Legal Kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about the kit. There are many different Ryco Street Legal Kits available for this machine. We refer to this as the Fang Light Kit. It actually replaces the stock grill and inserts these nice cool looking fangs into the system. How does it work? Just like a car. On your steering column, down will be left. You do have indicator lights up on the dash letting you know the turn signals are on. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Those Fang lights look super good. They provide a great look from the front and the side and around the back side. They do tie into the stock tail light housing, illuminating all of those bright LEDs. Very nice. While I'm back here, the Ryco Street Legal Kit does come with a KRX specific mount plate, as well as a light to illuminate that plate at night. This kit also has the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. All four corners are going to illuminate. Indicator lights there on the dash. And on the front. Very cool. And around on the back. To release the four-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever. Horn button integrated into the end of the lever as well. This same kit will work on all models of KRX, including all 4-seat models. It does not matter the year as well. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We'll also post up a link where you can go on and place your order today. We do have these kits in stock, ready to go. For those of you here in Utah, the only additional item you'll need to be street legal here in the state of Utah are 2 mirrors, one on each side of the driver. You can accomplish that with a left view and a right view, or a left view and a rear view. That's completely up to you. This customer is selected to do all 3. That is the TUS set for the light left and right hand side, and Axia alloys for the center mirror. We do have all of these items in stock, ready to ship as of the date of the video. Again, give us a call, shoot us a text, 435-427-3338. Have a great day, everybody.